Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to enable eye protection mode on your Xiaomi 13T. So pull down the curtain from the right top on your screen for a quick access menu and find your reading mode icon right here. It looks like I to turn it on or off. Alright, if you want to adjust the settings, go to your settings tab, scroll down to your display and brightness, and in displays and brightness choose your reading mode right here. So let's turn it on. Now we've got some more settings. For example, we can choose between a classic mode and a paper mode. So classic is a yellowish filter, and paper right here simulates a paper texture. Switch between them and customize to your liking. So press on this little arrow, for example on paper, and you can adjust the color temperature and the texture. Also you can choose between colors, light colors, black and white. If you're not satisfied with your settings, simply press restore defaults and it will be back to default, and it goes just the same with a classic mode, just like this. To turn it off, simply tap on the switch and it will be turned off. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.